Oh, Blake.
I did it.
Hang on, that pipe will liable to burn your leg. I'm gonna fall down on the log now.
Yeah. Oh, I got my foot. That was kind of stupid. I hit that log sideways.
I don't know, but we just made good video.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, it ain't on record.
No, is it?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, good.
You like good? You dang right. If I'm gonna crash, I at least want it on video.
Yeah, no kidding.
Hey, you hit it crooked and something happened. I didn't even.
Yeah, I know.
We'll have to rewatch it and see.
I just hit it crooked. And I just kind of lunged forward.
Well, the good thing about this, because a lot of them, you don't get this, because that was laying on your leg, and boy, a regular one would have been hot.
Yeah, that was
Luckily, it was the plastic part on your leg.
Yeah.
You didn't even scratch it.
No, thank God for these.
Yeah, no kidding. Yeah, because this was laying on your leg, so it didn't scratch it because your leg saved that.
Yeah, no kidding.
Otherwise, that would be scuffed up.
Yeah. The bald tires probably didn't help either. If you had tires, I probably would have.
Well, you should be able to do that on your Ninja.
Yeah. Probably exactly what I just did.
Yeah, worse.
Yeah, I wouldn't be picking that.
You wouldn't have made it this far on that Ninja.
No.
Cool.
Well, at least it didn't hurt it.
That's a good deal.
Yeah.
Praise the Lord.
You can lay them over and don't even hurt them. As long as you got the hand guards on them.
Makes a big difference.
Yeah, oh.
Loosen your mirror up.
Yeah, I want to buy those breakaway mirrors like that one guy had.
That was pretty neat.
Yeah.
It just folds up out of the way if you lay it over.
Yeah. There it goes. That's good. I'll follow that.
This trail goes quite a ways.
Yeah.
Back in here.
Yeah.
Now, I hope I don't do it.
Yeah, no kidding. Following me there for a second. I was like, oh no.
See, that's the good part about following like that. If I would have been in front, it wouldn't have been on video.
Yeah, yeah. I think that's where I hit it, somewhere around there.
Next time, try to actually, if you try to endo it,
Yeah.
that'd be cooler.
Yeah. Hopefully I get it on the views.
Oh yeah, hopefully.
It probably won't start.
Oh yeah, well, it's electronic fuel injection. Shouldn't make a difference. Now, if it's a carburetor, you're laid on the side and it floods, or a fuel injection shouldn't matter.
Sounds good.
Turn the key on, Frank. Is this the end of the trail? Oh, there it goes right that way.
My handlebars are in. Yeah.
Really?
Don't feel right.
Very possible.
Yeah. Don't feel right.
Pulled it back when it laid down.
Feels awkward.
Once you get used to it, you never know it. Then you put straight ones on and you think there's something wrong.
Well, I have some blue ones at the house.
Oh yeah.
I just don't like how to take all that stuff off.
I know.
Ride it for a second. I don't know if it's just me or something feels weird.
Oh, I see what's wrong.
Why?
Your tire's misaligned with your... See your tire, how crooked it is with the fender? See that?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I knew.
It's just you twisted it and twisted the forks a little bit. It don't hurt it. It don't hurt nothing. We just got to kill it. Well, maybe I have to leave it on for a second. Let me see. He's twisted the... See if I'm straight now. Dead center of the fender with the dead center of the tire. Back up.
Pretty close.
Back up on the other side of that tree. Now look at it. Dead center down the middle.
Pretty close.
Okay. Not, I mean, I want it perfect, not pretty close. Okay. Well, that's not a good spot to park it. Uphill. Well, that's what you do. I may have went a little, well, no, that's, boy, that's awful close to center. I'm looking at this little rib down the middle, and it's right on. And when you do that, you look at the tire, this side of the tire, and the back of it here, this and this. Down through there, and you line up those two, then you look at the tip. Happens all the time in woods riding, even in motocross. Yeah. Sometimes you can just hold it like this and do it, but it's easier usually just bang it up against a tree.
How do you, like, is it because the axle loose?
Yeah. What you want to do is it's easier if you got to put it on a stand.
Yeah.
Raise it up, loosen the axle, loosen these bolts, this bolt. You don't have to worry about that one.
Yeah, I don't have it.
You don't have to worry about this one.
So just a pinch?
Just this pinch bolt.
Okay.
And then loosen it up, spin the wheel, and then hit the brake, and that will line it up the little bit that it might be off. Spin it real hard and hit the brake. Spin it real hard, hit the brake.
Okay.
And that'll bounce it back into shape. Because it might not be perfect right now, but it's close.
Yeah, it's better than what it was.
Yeah. It just tweaks it a little bit. What it does is probably pull this in here a little bit.
Yeah.
Moved it a little bit. Cool. It didn't hurt nothing. It didn't hurt nothing. That's a normal thing. Yeah, you'd have tore up your your throttle grip.
Yeah.
For sure.
And probably broke that lever too. Then you'd be really.
Yeah.
I think the next, if I ever did another dirt bike or whatever, the first thing I'd do to is put a handguard on.
Yeah. You could get by without the front brake out here to get back. Clutch would be harder to get by without.
There's a lot of guys like they keep like extra fuel, foot brakes and everything in there.
Yeah, I had a guy one time, a kid that was racing with us, and his kick lever did the nut. I was in a Yamaha YZ, and he couldn't keep his kick lever on. He didn't have the bolt, so he kept his kick lever in his boot. I thought, well, that's probably dangerous, but yeah, he'd stop, he'd pull his kick lever out of his boot, stick it on there, kick it, stick it back in his boot, and then here we go. Yeah. It works. Yeah.
My truck, my everything.
Yeah, it's a good idea. Yeah, I'll see if he tells me if it's better.